All right, guys, let's do this. Let's start out with some skaters from side to side. Really pushing off, breathing. You know the drill. Come on. Get that heart rate up. Warm up those muscles. Nice and smooth. From side to side, really pushing off. Doesn't matter about the speed. It's what you can do and at your own pace. Whew. That's it. Keep it going. Breathe it out. That's it. Good, guys, come on. Woo-hoo. Feel the burn in the butt already. Ugh. All right, cool. Let's do some reverse lunges. Right, so alternating reverse lunges. Now, I like to do these without any weight, but if you have any weights at home that you want to use, that's fine. Or if you want to hold your baby, or if you want to hold your dog, anything you want to hold, some books, anything you want to add some more weight, that's cool. Make sure the knee's not touching the floor. Stretch back as much as you can, but for you to be able to keep your alignment. Shoulders back, tummy in, squeeze that butt back. And breathe. Good. We're gonna go into some bear crawls. Okay? 1, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3. Make sure your knees don't touch the floor. Same arm and leg. Breathe. Tummy's in. Core it up. Woo-hoo. Breathe. That's it. Keep it going. Good. Lay on your backs. Hands on your glutes. And leg raises. And bring it up. And slowly down. Up. Slow as you can. Without letting your back arch, okay? So keep that tummy in as much as you can. Make sure you keep breathing. Tummy into the floor, lower back into the floor. You can bend your knees if that makes it easier, which it won't. I promise it won't. But it'll put less stress on you. Good. Breathe. That's it. And smile. Don't forget to smile. Keep it going. Woohoo! Good. Back to the top, reverse lunges. Let's go. Good. It's all about consistency. Okay, I always say this. Consistency, discipline. You have to create a habit. Okay? Just the same way that you brush your hair, you put your makeup on, but you look good every day. Okay? You want to feel good. It's about your body, about your challenge. It's about making sure that you are looking and feeling at your best. All right, 10 minutes, that's all you need. Come on. This will be over in a flash. A good hot flash. Come on. After this, we're going into our bear crawls, okay? So get ready for that. Squeeze the shoulder blades, stay nice and proud. Stair crawls, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. If you want to go opposite, that's good too. If you want to go same leg, that's good too. 3 steps forward, 3 steps back. Okay, make sure you're breathing. Listen to your body. Keep it going. Good. That's it, guys. Yeah, come on. Good, on your backs. Let's go, leg raises. Bring it. Hi, Marley, how are you? Ow! Hi, how you doing? Here's my coach. Come on. Woohoo! All right. How am I doing, Marley? Am I doing good? Do you care? He doesn't care. He's just trying to be on the spotlight. That's it. Good, breathe, come on. Let's go. Tummy's in. Let's do this. You're almost there, halfway there. Tummy into the floor. Oh. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, okay? You gotta start somewhere, but take it at your own pace, okay? Good, back to the top, reverse lunges. I get asked a lot of questions. Do I have to do this if I'm a beginner? What do I do? How do I go about it? You just have to start. That's the best advice. Just give your body a chance to catch up and prove that you can do this, okay, at your own pace. Yes, there are some exercises that you probably haven't seen before, but just take a look and see how your body feels. Listen to your body. But as long as you get started, that's the best step forward ever, okay? But if you've been doing this for a while now, keep going, you're doing great. Breathe. Woohoo. Okay. Chest open. Good. Let's go into our bear crawls. Come on. Keep it going. 3 forward, 3 back. If you need to take a break, go for it. Catch up. There you go. Oh. Almost done. Woohoo! Oh. That's it. Come on. Good, on your backs. Let's go. Last exercise. Then you're done. Breathe. Keep that breath flowing. Keep your body going. Listen to your body. If anything starts hurting, stop for a minute, okay? Breathe. And you are gonna be sore the next day, I promise that. But as long as you keep drinking water, taking hot baths, stretching, breathing, you're gonna be just fine. Come up. Let's do this. That's it, you're almost there, promise. There you go.